Welcome to demo tutorial of Stone Crusher Management Solution. Onedesk is a comprehensive stone crusher business management solution. We are not just providing software, but we are into managing business flow of your stone crusher business in such a way that you being owner gets free time from your stone crusher and concentrate into your business. As owner of business, you might have observed that your business does not run without you. And that's the problem. You keep receiving phone calls from your site, making every single and smallest decision. You are owner. You cannot keep working on your business as your employee does. But how can we achieve this? Onedesk is a kind of solution that can help you achieve this. Onedesk includes computer web app for your employee to work on and mobile app for you to keep track of business on the go. First of all, what does Onedesk have? It has everything required for your stone crusher business, right from customer management, employee management including attendance handling, vendor and transport management, storeroom and diesel management, your vehicle management, and many more features to manage your business. Now, let's dive into web app demo. Mobile app demo will be uploaded soon. Now, let's start by logging in. Onedesk offers a hassle-free login process with two options. We can either use our email and password over here, or we can use mobile number and OTP based login. We will use email and password. By entering email provided to you and password that is being generated while logging in. By simply clicking login, you will log in. But before that, Onedesk is a multi-user platform. You can assign your employee login and manage their permissions and authorities in software simply by visiting settings. Now take a look at seamless clean main dashboard. It includes a brief sales summary, daily report, key statistics that provides snapshot of our business performance. On the left navigation menu, you will find a variety of navigation options. Manage everything from customer, vendors to stock, order, product, employees, leads, and vehicles. Now let's create a new sale. Navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard and tap on New Sales. You will be directed to the DM generator. Here, enter all the required customer information like customer name. If you don't have customer in your system, just add new customer by clicking on Add Customer button over here. Select customer name, enter vehicle number. If it is your vehicle, then you can add that vehicle in the list. Otherwise, directly type the vehicle number. If transport is included from your side, then check the transport included option, otherwise leave it. Add delivery address, press next. If required, enter the royalty number, otherwise leave it blank. Select item like 20 mm or any other item that is basically sale by stone crusher. Enter quantity in brass. If you want to change unit of measurement to CFT, M cube or metric ton, this can be done by visiting the customer setting. Press next. Here we will have payment option. We have three payment option: cash, UPI and credit. If you select cash, it will give options to fill the total amount and received amount. If received amount is less, enter less amount and you will see the balance amount. We also have option to go with credit. Here we are not asked about total amount. It can be decided later. Click on accept and save and print. Now we can see delivery challan has been generated and it will be stored to customer as per customer name. Here you can directly download this PDF just by clicking on download button, or you can print just by clicking on print button. Now once the sales has been generated, you can see on dashboard quantity has been updated. You can see at quantity sales today, quantity has been updated. Also in chart, you can see the graph has updated. Now let's see how can we check the sales that has been generated in the customer. In the left hand side, click on customer management. Here you will see all the list of customer, and you also have option to add new customer over here. By filling the basic information like customer name, contact number, email address, GST number if applicable, address and state. By saving details, you will get new customer in the list. Now we will see how the sales that are being generated can be seen here. Click on sales report of specific customer. Here you will see the sales that has been generated in the given time period and selected financial year. You can select time period from calendar and click on view. Here you will see all the sales that has been generated in particular time period. Here you will see a sales list on which you can click to see more details. More details are shown here for the particular selected sales of given customer. Here we have few options like mark as check, mark for invoice, mark for ledger. But the important options are update quantity. If required, we can update the quantity of selected sales. If we check other sales with credit option, we also have option to change the payment mode. If we select change payment mode, here we can change payment mode to cash. If cash is received for particular sales, we can update the amount. We can update the received amount. If lesser amount is received, we can enter less amount and update payment mode. And again, if another remaining amount has been updated or need to be updated, then we can click on update balance. Here enter the balance amount that is being received. For example, we will enter 2000 and update payment. Here payment for this trip has been updated. Here we also have option to cancel the DM. This option is given in case wrong entry is made or entry need to be updated. But DM option is only applicable to authorized person and admins. If you go back here, we have more options like download PDF. We can download the PDF of sales by selecting download PDF. Here we will get the list of all the sales that has been made in a particular time period for the given customer. This can be downloaded by clicking download button over here, or by clicking print button you can print the statement directly without downloading. Now we will see how can we check more details of the customer. Like if we click on profile section of the selected customer, here you will see we have basic information of the customer like customer name, email, contact number and other information. And at the below screen, if you scroll, we have more options for the selected customer like product rate, customer site, invoice and purchase order. In product rate, we can change the product rate of the customer and their unit of measurement. For example, if you go in 20 mm metal section over here and click on edit, we have option to change the unit of measurement for that particular customer and that particular material. For example, we can say 2000 rupees per brass and save. We can also change product rate based on customer site. If we add customer site over here, entering the basic information and saving the details, we can also modify the product rate based on the customer site. And third option is invoice. Here we will find all the invoice that is being generated. And again, if purchase order applicable to the given customer, we can also add the purchase order. Now moving forward to the vendor management. On left navigation menu, click on vendor management to go to vendor management section. Here we will see all the vendors that are providing service to our business. Vendor management also includes transporter. Transporters are listed here to manage all the transport services that they are providing to our business, including the sales transport. To add new transporter or vendor, click on add new vendor button. Fill the basic information like vendor name, contact number and other details. If this vendor is a transporter, click check the button and save details. Here you can see list of all the transporter. As of customer management, where you can see sales report, here we will see the purchase report. On clicking on purchase report, we will have the list of all the purchases or the transport that is being provided by the transporter. Here you can click on each transporter services or the purchase that you have made from that particular vendor. Here you will see all the details and other options. You can also download the PDF of purchase report just by downloading PDF. Here you have option to save the file to your computer and it will be saved. Now instead of stretching this video to the longer duration, I will just give a simple overview of each section instead of going in the deep. We will have a deep video of each section uploaded shortly. Now moving to the MRO inventory. MRO inventory is nothing but just your storeroom. It can have the diesel and other inventory. This makes inventory management simple. Like we can manage diesel easily. You can see the inventory list here and make other actions from this screen only. Other is product management. Product management are all the products we can have here that we make sales of. Just like the common material that we sell in any stone crusher industry, 20 mm or dust or VSS and other thing. Here we can add that thing so that we can select them during sales. Another section is employee management. Employee management is a new feature that we have added recently. It's everything that an employee management tool requires. It also includes attendance management and everything. Here we can have the setting so that we can manage check-in time, check-out time and other things. If we click on any employee view section, here we can have the overview of all the attendance over the period of month, or you can change the month from calendar at the top. Here you will have a chart of attendance status of that employee for a particular month. And here we have summary where you can check how many days are full working days, half working days, full absence or total leaves, and days where you employee had not recorded attendance. And also the inventory status. In case the inventory is being issued by employee and had not been returned in the storeroom, you can see here. Now moving forward to the fleet management. Fleet management is a vehicle management where you can add your vehicle just by clicking on button and filling the basic details. Here you can add all the vehicles like your transport vehicles and quarry vehicle like JCB and Oakland or PC. Upon clicking on any vehicle, you will have a view where you can have the basic information and a abstract section where you will see a diesel abstract and trip abstract for that particular selected vehicle. In trip abstract, you will have a list of trips that has been made by that vehicle in a selected time period. Under action section, you can see a view button. Upon clicking on it, you will have all details of the transport on that particular day. And also a diesel abstract where any diesel that is being issued to that vehicle, we can see that over here. Like we can see the quantity issued to the vehicle on particular day, how many times the diesel has been issued, And also we have action button where we can see the exact quantity that has been issued every time. So moving forward, we also have in fleet management a document section where you can add documents of that particular vehicle like PUC, and we can enter the expiry date of that PUC document and any other information like contact number in case the document expires. If we add any contact number and click on add new document, you can see a document will get added over here. Document has been added. Under edit section, you can upload image of that document so that you don't need to search in your hard copy section for a document. You can directly choose document from this. You can upload document, you can delete, you can also edit and open in case you want to see the document. Here when the document is about to expire, you will get a alert 15 days before document expiry date in notification section at your dashboard. For example, you can see here, so that you can take prompt action before document get expired. And upon issue of new document, you can just click over here and update the date, and if required, update the image. So moving forward, we also have a very important section in this software, that is daily report section. At dashboard under quick action on the right side, you can see report section. Upon clicking on this report section, you will be moved forward to the reports dashboard where we will have comprehensive view of all the things that has been taken period on particular day. If we select a day where sales has occurred, you can see you will have data of that sales. Here we have sales details, material inward details. Material inward is nothing but the boulder or the material that is being taken out from the mines. Material inward section, we will have another video. We have a QVAL system, that is query vehicle autologger, a system that is made for mining records. We will have a comprehensive video on that shortly. Other section is income and expenditure. Any cash that is been going in and out, you will see a record over here. We have employee attendance record, we have diesel record and fleet record. To understand this in details, every day we have report PDF options where you can download report in PDF section in different format, just like this. Here you can have a list of all the sales that is being made, and amount that has been received, discount given, and total amount that has been collected on that particular day's sale. Another is sales summary. Here you will have a sales summary under which you will have payment summary to understand how much sales has been made under cash, credit and UPI and their total amount received. And also you will have a product wise summary in which you will see product wise summary. For example, 20 you can see 20 we have number of sales is 1 and quantity sales is 3 brass. Similarly, this list expands as sales increases. So similarly, we have PDF report for material inward, income and expenditure section, employee attendance section, diesel report and fleet report. Moving forward, we have more options over here like account receivable. Account receivable will give a list of customer with their pending money. We have bulk invoice. In bulk invoice section, we will have a list of all the invoices that has been generated over the year. Yearly sales section, here you will get a visual representation of sales that has been made in any selected year. Upon clicking on any sales day, you can see the sale that has been made on that particular day. More option is date range sales. Here you will have a quantity of sales that has been made in a particular date range. For example, we can select from date and to date and click on view to get the data. Here you can see a sales data day wise and its total. And more important section, a sales data export. Here we have given you option to export your sales data in Excel format. Just by clicking on export to Excel, you will have your export data exported to your local file. Thank you for watching video, and I hope you like the demo of the product.